Hey!
That's not good.
Brody, what is up with your toes? Go play. Go. Be free! Be free! Hi, Tyson. Go play. Not with me. Go play with Brody. What's up with you? You doing okay? She's like, what's going on? Hi, babies. Come on, you're bigger than him. Oh, kisses. Is this your new girlfriend? Is that your girlfriend? What's up with you?
Tyson, look.
Right there, you fool. Don't look at me. Is it?
Hello.
Oh, thank you.
Want a treat? Sit.
Thank you.
Ow.
Mom pulled her gray hair out of her tail today. A gray hair? One gray.
Tyson, get down.
Where are you going? Like, I want to play.
Get down. Go play. So I can videotape you getting your ass kicked.
Come here. Brody's. Brody. Come on. Come on. Am I the only fool running?
Yep.
Now Tyson's going to get you.
Oh, now you guys are going to follow me?
Yep.
There you go.
Now come back and run again. This is your Saturday cardio. Hey, Tyson! Come on,
Brody,
go get your auntie.
come here. I'm going to step and poop in my Jordan.
Get him, Brody. Get him, Brody. Tyson, stop with the gremlin noises.
Oh, that was Tyson?
Yeah. And his silly little gremlin noises.
Whoa.
Oh, hello. Look at her tongue hanging out the side.